Entering King's Row. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Okay, it's time to win some game. Yeah, I'm using orange switch.
I will be your shield.
Hello.
Oops.
There's one snipe going.
Almost 4 hours. For me, some people think the also original one is harder. Someone say many is harder, but I think it's just different. You cannot compare which one is harder because if you practice just a clicking one, so you cannot be master on the running one. So you have to practice both. You need both. It's different skill.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Shield's taking damage. Armoring you up. Giving you a little extra.
Sorry, left.
Run this way.
They have me.
It's about to go.
Nice with this forward.
One tap. Watch out.
Bridges this forward. Also. With
Chase
Yeah,
me.
they're chasing you. I'll shield.
Hey, mate,
got
watch out.
charge.
No shield.
I hate
recharge.
charge so much.
Just wait.
Ryan's pushing through.
And I took the heal pack for him, so he
Bring
got
this
more
Zarya. Zary's
ulti.
the first one.
Charge.
No.
Where's this
Walk up.
for?
How many seconds bubble? I'm stunned.
I already used it. Getting on.
How many seconds?
3.
Hey, go now. Go.
Never die.
Whoa.
I'll bridge left side, bridge
I'm
left
so
side.
tired. 90 on fire.
I have no shield. I can't block.
Oh, nice.
Should be fine.
You can res if you go in.
Yeah, good job.
Should I tap?
Hanjo.
I got split off.
You got him.
Let's play together. Sorry, get back. I have like no more shield. You have to get back.
Friend
quick.
left. We're really
Yeah, I have to
stupid.
retry. No shield.
This is one.
Wait, I have something weird on my
I'm super
body.
low.
Like not
Right,
body,
right,
my feet.
I have to go.
I feel like
Bubble,
the
bubble,
blood
bubble.
vessel is shaking.
He's dead.
I'm gonna die. I feel like the blood vessel is shaking. Like you can feel it on the feet. What's that?
Here, safe grab for my
This
tire. I
makes
can get it.
perfect. Not to mention some
I can feel it.
Is that close, right?
You don't understand, right?
We shouldn't
It's like
even
a-
need,
it's
we
like-
shouldn't even need
it's
the grab.
pumping
We can
the blood.
damage boost our Jack right. He
On
can
my
double
on my
hand.
feet.
Zen top right on catwalk.
I need to get into the
Yo, can we shoot the Zen guys? He's the top right above us.
going.
Zen dead. Walk up.
It's happened sometimes.
Sorry, Hunter left.
Earthquake? No way. It's not.
I can do it. I can grab. Okay, whatever you go.
Walk up. Bridge half. Bridge one. Bridge actually one.
Clear.
Actually one.
Fine. So he's gonna
Are we
turn
gap or
Reach half.
out.
grab?
I'm just gonna shadow his whole team. Big shadow got 3 in the back. Block. Hitting right.
You grab here?
And watch out. No one. I can tire.
I'll make it.
No tire. Ryan,
They're behind me. He's going towards our mid.
Hey,
On the way back. Then
I
back.
missed that back still.
Mercy, can you come with me?
Yeah. That's what they feel, Coco. It's not very hard, but you can feel it, and it's just annoying
Just Ryan's half for now.
because you feel it.
just
You're not
wait.
supposed to feel
I'm
it.
actually a bot. Please don't die, Mercy.
You gotta back out.
I sit for
Oh,
too
okay.
long.
I'm gonna back
I
out.
don't think so. Sometimes I sit longer than this.
We got two. That guy.
You guys are
I
even.
can read it. I have tire.
Oh shit.
I try to help Ryan.
Can you
but
bump me out?
I didn't know it's only me.
Double kill.
My ultimate is ready.
Maced.
Lucius off top right now. He's off.
I'm coming, Mickie. We play for stun shatting.
Okay.
Just wait. Pressure right first. I'm right side car. I'm right side car.
I'm ready to walk in. Going.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
You just do it. Just do it.
Go big, everybody get the bomb.
Ascend's right side.
You got
That's the way I'm blocking.
I'm going for Zen.
Hey, you got it.
Okay, look at me.
One shot.
Let's roll up. Let's roll up. You do it.
Try me.
Zoya pin.
Now
Okay,
we're
I got
in
Bridget
business.
in.
Careful. Just watch in here. Over.
Watch out, guys. Head back. My shield's low. I can't watch that.
I'm pushing your
I-
blue.
Do they have grab or not?
Yeah. They have grab.
Okay, I have to do some big play then.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with you, Mickie.
Giving you a little extra.
I'm gonna grab this fight.
Don't just
Almost
stay.
tired. Almost tired. I'm 85 on tired.
Where's right?
I'm so dead.
Shields up.
Right side alley, right side alley.
Block. I'm stunned. I'm one, just staying alive. Pinning, right? Run and sit. Run in us.
You down?
Big damage. Keep it up. Shatter. Big shatter. Let's go.
Go shatter. Take grab.
We only got 1 kill. They got 3.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I got good shot. I was dropping down. I've tried this fight.
Next. Last point.
Mace to the face. You won't be defeated.
I'm just getting hanging right now.
Oh, I forgot to read the
They
sub.
should have a rally coming
1
up.
second. I will read it. Sorry guys. How did I miss that?
See him, Hagar?
Rally to me.
Thank you.
I'm tiring.
Yeah, watching for it. They have another shatter.
Nice is for it.
I'm going.
Where is space? More dead. Ready?
Run. I'm stunned.
Where's this for again?
Right one.
I'm low. Holding shield. Oh, okay.
Dead.
Sorry, this for it.
We cool.
No, he's off the map. So you push in at first. Push in.
Then left.
Cancel.
And dead.
Yeah, got it.
Forward.
Whoa! I got boost somehow. How did I do that?
I'm gonna go Hagar.
How did I go that fast?
Staying back.
They have grab this fight.
That's like a boost.
Yeah, recharge
Something.
Their shield's real low.
Armoring you up.
Break the shield and we can look for a shatter maybe.
Taking damage.
I
Very left.
wait.
Oh, they just lobbed it.
I'm pinned.
Okay, we can get one more fight.
Get grab fire out this fight.
I'm gonna speed us out. I'm gonna go Lucio and speed us out.
Okay, we can get tested with Bridge maybe?
I'm gonna speed Rosario down.
I don't have it yet.
I can
gotta
touch.
go
Don't
on
worry.
one
Don't worry.
You said Shutting. Right
Good
Good job. We're winning.
Hanzo right. One. Hanzo right.
Exactly point.
Stay put.
Right side.
Hanzo one.
My ultimate is ready.
I'm gonna stay on Lucio. We can speed us
Valkyrie
in
is
this
ready.
fight.
My
I'm really
ultimate
close
is
to
ready.
Lucio.
Come for armor.
Okay. Ryan might
They
have
saw
tried to come up,
shutting.
right? Okay.
Yep, yeah, shutting.
I'm gonna save speed. Whatever tries to look for it. Just keep breaking the shield, play shield. Break the shield.
I'm playing around car.
Push around.
I'm moving right in. I missed.
Shields taking damage.
They're looking for grab. Missionary.
Our time is running out. Everyone get on defense.
I'm staying alive. Pack it back.
Last fight. Let's go.
Push.
I was so tired. Damn.
Double.
Yes.
You'll take it in.
10 seconds.
Put them back.
Play here.
Yep.
Nothing can
Red's
touch.
gonna come red side.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ.
Red.
Nice.
Holy shit.
Okay. The sub I miss is.
All good.
Oh wait, 300 bits for diminish. Thank you. Burn blue and Glijingo. Thank you for resubscription. Thank you. Today is such a long stream. Not very long, but I mean long for me.
Here comes a new challenge.
Overwatch Tracer, thank you for a subscription. Do you guys have Twitch Prime? You can sub me for free. And you know what you will get if you sub me? You will get appreciating from me. I don't know what can I give you. But I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
I will prove myself.
I can go eat food and I can drink Coke sometime. I mean, I'm about to say I can go Jack in the Box, but I mean, I can eat Jack in the Box for free, so that doesn't count.
Here comes a new challenger.
That's why I got another Prime sub. Thank you very much. I just came for the salad. You could find the salad in Jack in the Box. They have salad, they have tacos, they have the bacon ultimate cheeseburger, teriyaki chicken,
Attack commences
chicken
in 30
nuggets,
seconds.
and chicken
Last minute
crispy
check.
chicken strip.
Everyone squared away.
I like it. I like both. I like all of them. I mean, not all of them, but most of them.
Don't worry, my friends. I am your shield.
Don't just stand around. Do something. 5, 4, 3, 2.
I wish I can play Smurf again. I don't know.
Capture objective
Like have fun playing Smurf, chill, something like that.
Right side.
This
How many
one?
seconds
I
bubble?
don't know why I'm doing this. Like,
Okay, just show.
sorry, I went into the jungle.
It's okay. Run! He's dead.
Go ahead.
I mean, if it's one person,
I'll
it's
just-
fine. But it's two person.
Big
over
damage.
there.
Bridge one, bridge one.
Wait, watch that.
On the top right.
I'm getting serious.
I have to get
I
back. I have
will
no shield.
carry the team in this game. Let's go.
Done.
Patching you up. My barrier's about to go. Let me patch that up. Mace to the face.
They have one healer. If we focus the tank hard, they cannot heal up. They cannot.
Yeah.
Just like keep hitting the tank.
Just try to bait their bubble
Oh,
top, then we
no,
can
Hunter goes
thunder right
Hunter.
now.
Keep hitting the tank. Keep hitting the tank. Yeah.
Why is this quarter? Why is it?
Ryan looking for better, right?
Right side, right side, panic.
One, no bubble, no bubble, no bubble.
I'm right.
Ah!
We got
We got it, we got it.
Keep going. Hanzo.
Got it. Big shadow right side. I got Zion.
They have been revived.
Ryan asleep. I'm dead.
We can win with spawn. We can win with spawn. Come in.
Defense
We top
to
top.
up. I'm standing right side on this point.
We're coming in. Oh, there's head.
What?
Bridge. Ryan's this part. Or is he gonna try to raise the bridge, I think?
Yeah,
We have to charge Ryan. We have to go. Kill Ryan first.
I push. Run one.
Yeah.
Snap.
Clear car. I have some lucky up.
Going. Snowball.
Get in
Yeah,
there.
no more shield.
Also on card.
Mace to the face.
Here, I'm gonna see.
Yeah, we can just grab here and just flash on
You
it.
might want to keep your distance.
We don't need a combo or anything.
On the top.
Maybe just get the shield all before we grab. That's it.
I will shield you.
Okay, I'm with you. Here, I'm
Going.
I'm
Driving?
Oh, weapon up. Keep walking. Front right.
Who was that?
That was a big
push,
door.
push.
She's waiting for me too.
Power one in the
Thank you
sky.
for
Power
rest.
one in the sky. Power one in the
Ricky
sky.
one, dead.
So got
Ricky one,
some
Ricky
Power one.
It's so hard to hit it for me.
Oh, dark right.
Just go point first.
Point. Right your hands on point.
No car.
Yeah.
That feels good.
Fire popping up.
Ouch.
Fire.
Mace to the face.
Man, they were 1 HP. I ain't do nothing.
Pop it down. I'm just gonna try and kill the right face.
Mace to
Ryan
the
right side.
thrust.
Push the tower. I tried that right now. Ah,
Let me
nice.
patch
We got it.
that
Don't
up.
let him res it. Let's
Holding aggressive.
push.
Playing aggro.
Jag fixar dig.
Yeah, breach riding shield. They're not contesting.
The payload has reached
We got card. Here, I'm gonna take
I'll
Hydra.
just escort him.
Oh, he's up there.
Yeah, I can just go the helmet for you if you want to
Just-
watch out.
just
Mikey,
keep
do you
both-
surge, right?
Just keep poke the tanks.
Yeah, I'm moving to box.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up. You just go down there.
I'm 90 on Shutter. I'm watching out for Sun Shutter right now.
Alright, try, focus on, focus on.
Careful.
I'm dead.
Going?
But you don't go for the right. Like, play.
Why me?
I'm gonna survive.
I'm the one who got shot.
Yeah, okay.
Let's get
Shutter.
Sorry, I
Double sniper.
Back from the
I might go Hunter. I might be able to just
Yeah.
kill one of them.
My
Easy.
ultimate is ready.
Don't have bros.
Dude,
Get in there.
3,500 FFK by the way. Nuts.
Payload stop. Something
Don't have
They,
anything.
we kill the tank.
Recharge,
We
recharge,
just focus
recharge.
on the tank.
Recharge.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
we
go
can
in.
go Sun Shutter.
Yeah, just
Walk up.
focus on the tank.
Hey, they bullet. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Big Shutter, let's go. I hold shield on one.
Double sniper
this is
cannot protect that.
Hustle one, hustle.
Help our bitch, let's go. I'm pinning, go, 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 go. Kill Zaya.
Alright,
Zaya one.
yeah, should make it.
Ouch!
Where's behind you? Where's behind you?
That's super close.
Zaya one.
Wait,
Nice shot.
you didn't.
Uh,
How Reinhardt survived?
Big fan, Mickey. Watch these Apex.
Good job. I don't know what he's.